In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your YouTube channel to Databox. This integration can help you seamlessly track and analyze your channel's performance metrics, all in one convenient place. Let's get started. First, you'll need to access the Data Manager within Databox. Start by logging into your Databox account. Once you're in, look for the section labeled Data Manager. This is your central hub for managing all data sources linked to your Databox account. It's here that we'll begin the connection process to YouTube. Moving on, you'll want to add a new data source. In the Data Manager, find and click on the button that says Plus New Data Source. This action will allow you to integrate a fresh source of data into your Databox environment. With this setup, you'll be equipped to capture all the insights your YouTube channel has to offer. Now, it's time to search for YouTube in the Databox interface. There will be a search bar available, designed to help you navigate through different data sources. Type YouTube into this search bar. As you type, you'll notice a list of options starting to populate. Select YouTube from this list. This step is crucial as it tells Databox exactly which data source you are planning to connect. The next step involves authorizing Databox to access your YouTube data. You'll need to click the button that says Connect. Doing so will open a new window, guiding you to log into your Google account if you're not already signed in. This window is crucial as it allows you to grant the necessary permissions. Databox requires these permissions to import your YouTube data, so make sure to carefully follow the prompts to allow access. A smooth authorization process ensures that your channel's data can be accurately tracked and analyzed. With authorization out of the way, it's time to choose the specific YouTube channel you wish to connect. You'll see a list of channels associated with your Google account. Select the desired channel, keeping in mind that you can only connect those channels that you own. This step ensures that only the YouTube data that matters to you is linked to Databox. Finally, you'll want to complete the integration. After you've authorized and selected your channel, the connection to Databox will finalize automatically. At this point, your YouTube channel is fully connected, and you're ready to begin tracking video performance metrics. From views and engagement rates to subscriber growth, all your key metrics will be at your fingertips. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to connecting your YouTube channel to Databox. This integration empowers you to make informed decisions by providing a clear view of your video performance. Thanks for joining us, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more insights into optimizing your data-driven initiatives.